Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but it will anyways just to build context here. But crazy way to close out the day. Massive volume that last 30 minutes. Big price movement. And like I said, I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that, but it does all bring about the valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here. I'm going to give it a little bit of leeway right there at 1650. And this is where the first update comes into play, and this is just that says when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and especially in this situation. Why? Well, hopefully we can agree that price movements with genuine power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were, because going back would just be totally anticlimactic and against against logic. But so think about it. If the price were to come down to 1650, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would be putting the price, well, right back inside of that range where it just was. And as we just discussed, that's just not a sign of true strength if a price makes a move and then goes right back to where it was. But to be fair also, I mean, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, the difference being behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down here. You'd have that low right there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps starting to make progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined at that 1650 mark. In terms of areas of resistance, all eyes are going to be on that purple line moving forward, that 50-period moving average, current value of that right up around 21.75. So overall, big movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.